guys, Cara here from Outdoor Furniture Ideas. I just wanted to quickly go through with you today some of our best-selling daybeds and sunloungers that have come back into stock recently at our warehouse. So what I've got in front of me is our Ark Daybed. This has been super popular. Every time they come in, these guys sell out really quick smart. The Ark is a really nice, generous size daybed. You get included with this 3 of these really large and super soft plush backrest cushions. You can, if you like, add a pop of colour with some little throw pillows, which we do sell. These plain colour ones we've currently got on sale for $20 each. So if you're wanting to add a little bit of fun to your daybed, one of my favourites with charcoal is either the red or the yellow. So feel free to style it up a little bit. We do these in the charcoal and the light grey Sunbrella. The next one that's in stock that I love is the Unity. Now the Unity is basically a left and a right piece that's a chase. So you can join them together. There are little clips here, if I can just show you. So if you wanted to have them together, there's these little plastic clips that when you want to keep them tight together, you can basically pop these in and install them in and clip them from the other side. Or you can have them separated and you've basically got a his and hers. Something that we sell that's really popular with either the Unity or the Ark Daybed is our best-selling side table, which is the Allure. This little side table here is lightweight aluminium, really great U-shape. It tucks in nicely underneath. So if you were laying down and you wanted to pop a drink or something on that table, easy to do. Or you can put it in between the tables, or it's also great just to sit next to it. Little side table just to make things nice and comfortable when you're relaxing outside. So once again, we have the Ark Daybed, which is back in stock, guys, and the Unity double Sunlounger, both on our website, both available in the charcoal, which we've featured here, and in our light grey with the white aluminium frame. If you want to try them out, pop into either of our showrooms in Sydney and Melbourne, or hop online. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Have a great day, guys.